Austrian Grand Prix. It's round 3 of the 2016 FIM X-Trail World Championship. Witnessing the 2015 title decider, fans in Vienna Neustadt will look forward to a closer battle for victory this year. 2 different winners in the opening event. Round 2 of the campaign took the riders to the sport's Catalan heartland for the Spanish Grand Prix at the Palau Sant Jordi. New leader, Adam Braga's surprise victory. Champion Eddie Carlson could only manage 7 with 3 failed sections and a 20-mile score on the qualifying lap, but the speed did get the better of wildcard Jaime Busto, making him superior in section 5. Alexander Ferrer took 6th thanks to a quick result in section 4 and was on course for a place in the final. Error in section 5 left him out of the run. Drop mark in section 1 contacted Issa Fujinami as lost 4th position. The veteran recovered well with just 2 drop marks in the last 3 sections, 8th fifth. Gironi Fajardo squeezed into the final by just a mark and looked out of place in the top 4. Five fiascos had just 2 successfully completed sections, and he took 4th. Cabastan moved ahead of his fellow countrymen with a superior performance on sections 2 and 3, but dropped back from the front runners with 3 consecutive failed sections. Adam Braga matched Cabastan on the opening 3 sections before moving ahead in the second half of the lap, but he dropped 4 crucial marks back from Tony Bo over sections 3 and 4, unable to recover. Returned to the top of the leaderboard with a typically excellent display. It was a brief moment of concern after a spectacular fall in section 5, but both continued on through the final 2 sections, retaining his 4-mark advantage to take the first victory of the season. With 1 victory apiece, Tony Bo and Adam Braga linked into Austria. Sections 3 and 6 were unchanged in Barcelona. Tony Bo was always the favourite to take the 2016 championship. Victory in Barcelona returns him to the top of the leaderboard. Defeat in Sheffield has made his path to the 2016 title somewhat more complicated. There was a moment where I was running in 4th and I had to recover from there. Second position in such a short championship is the best you can do if you can't win. And of course, victory in Barcelona restored my morale. We gave 100%, we knew it would be complicated for us. The key is to use the home element to help, not to hinder. It's an extra pressure, but the Palau Sant Jordi is very special for me. This time it was a little bit different because of how the championship was going, but also because of the way I rode, which was very strong. Bo's 7th consecutive Barcelona X-Trail victory was far from comfortable. A spectacular crash in section 5 left him limping away. It took all of his strength to return to the arena floor. It was a critical moment. I suffered an impact on my back, which was a little uncomfortable at first, but nothing more than that. It was more mental than physical because I was so high, and I was able to continue on in the race, which was the most important thing at the time.
Carrera que era lo importante en el momento.
With a month's break between races, the intensity drops somewhat. It's now a bit more about gym work, since indoor requires a bit of explosivity. This week, we will do a bit more cardio work before returning to the gym for more exercises. We're really happy being here in Andorra. It's been a very positive winter. We've been able to train well. And aside from that, the altitude is helpful, particularly before the start of the season. After a year here, my strength has definitely improved. I'm very happy, and as much as anything, it's a plan for the future. Being in Andorra will help me to extend my sporting career.
Que sobre todo es un plan de futuro, ¿no? Yo creo que Andorra me va a servir para alargar mi carrera deportiva. La verdad que Viena para mí fue una
Vienna
sorpresa.
Neustadt last year was a
Una carrera
surprise for
nueva,
me.
una
It
carrera
was a new race where we'd never ridden before and a new organiser for the championship. It was the toughest race of the year and one where I was really able to open out an advantage. So I loved it, and I hope that the level of the sections is the same this year. It should be a trial with some big steps and some technical challenges. Achieving my 9th title there, in the way I did it, leaves me with great memories.
Pruebas técnicas, soy muy positivo y aparte, como has dicho, conseguí el nuevo título y de la forma que lo conseguí y tengo muy buen recuerdo.
If we look to the answer as to why for so many years we achieved so much, prospered as no other people on earth, it was because here in this land we unleashed the energy and individual genius of man to a greater extent than has ever been done before. Freedom and the dignity of the individual have been